Welcome to ItzRafiq. In today's video, we'll learn how we can make a Python script to find the detailed information about a country like a capital, area and all. As I have created this script before, so you can see the commands here. These are the commands. Now I'm going to explain all the commands in details. First, let's see the output of this our script. So it's asking me to enter the country. Suppose it's India. So you can see here the basic information about India. We can add some more informations, but at present I haven't displayed only capital, area, population, languages, Wikipedia, time zone, currency and telephone code. And I have also kept one menu, means if the user want to continue he can enter another country name, or if the user want to exit then just type Q. So if the type Q then program will finish. So let's see how we can do it from scratch. First of all, we'll have to create a new we have to install one plugin. If you are doing it from Pydroid as I am doing it now, so you'll go in options and PIP. Here untick the use pre-built, there write CountryInfo, country then INFO, no space together, then install. And please please keep in mind your data should be on, or your internet should be on while downloading the library. It's showing that your requirement already satisfied. That means I have already installed this library, so I don't need it again. So I am going to create a new file. Here we can go folder, then new. So new file appeared here. First add the library to my Python script. So we'll write here from CountryInfo import CountryInfo. Now here C and I are capital. As the CountryInfo is a big word, so I am going to use initialize of it, means CI or CF. So as suppose CF. Now to make the menu we will use here while loop, while, and also one Python function. So def info country, info country, country, bracket on and off, then colon, and here just one print statement at present, print country. So while here I am writing in bracket 1, means till the condition is true the loop will run. So here again I am writing here one print statement, input statement in one variable as C equal input enter Q to exit and /n country. Now we'll go to next line. Here we are going to use if statement. If C not equal exclamatory sign, then equal sign, then Q, means if the user not entered Q then only it will do something, then 2 colon. Here I will add one print statement, print, no need the print statement, directly I will call the function. We'll call here CF, not CF, info country, INFO, then COUNTRY, bracket on and off. Now we'll exit from the if, here alif, then inside bracket C double equal Q. If the value of C is Q, then what it will do, it will exit from the loop. Sorry, here I will use just break. So this is my menu. Let's see whether it's work or not. So run. It asking me to enter a country, suppose India. Info country is not defined. I think I have made some mistakes. Let's see. INFO, info country. Okay, the country is India and it's showing only country because I have not added anything in my function. So now I am going to add details in function. Here first I am keeping one variable capital equal. Here we'll write CF in bracket C. Oh, let's first pass the parameter. In info country we'll pass the value of C, and here we will also add parameter as C. So CFC dot capital, bracket on and off. Then in this print statement, in place of country we will write here searching, because it takes little time to search the information. And here we will write print information about. We are going to use formatted input, so before the quotation F and inside quotation we will write information about, then in curly braces we'll add C. After that we can add one new line also here, then it's look good. It's according to your decoration or style. So /n, we can keep some lines. Okay, now we have to display the value of capital, so we'll write again print statement and in bracket formatted output F capital, and here we'll use /t or keep a bit more space. Then in curly braces we'll write capital, bracket close. Now let's run the program. It asking me to enter a country, suppose Nepal. So searching information about Nepal, capital Kathmandu, enter Q to exit. If you want to add suppose Q, so program finish. If you want to add more options, we can do that. So here we'll add some another variable. Suppose after capital we'll write area equal CF, in bracket it will be C, then dot area, bracket on and off. Then in again print statement, print will use formatted input, so F. Here we'll write area and /t. Here I am using /t 2 times because the area word is smaller than capital, so it need more spaces. And now inside curly braces area, curly braces close. And we can also keep one more line to make it look good. Print bracket, then dash, and both side of the dash you need quotes because this is not a variable. So let's run. Country Thailand. So you can see here it's displaying only the numbers, and these numbers are in kilometers, so we can write SQ square kilometer. So here after area we can write km square. And suppose now I want to display the languages whatever spoken there, then we can add one more variable, language lang equal same thing cf in bracket c and dot languages bracket on and off, and here one more print statement, print f dot quotation languages, then slash t, in curly braces we'll add lang. Let's run the program. Country India. So here displaying the languages in brackets HI and EN. If you want only Hindi or English, then we can use here for loop, or we can use this index. So in lang, suppose I want only the first language, so in square bracket you can write 0. That means it will display only Hindi HI. So let's country India. So language HI means it's Hindi. Nepal, Ani means Nepali. Bhutan, Thimphu this one, and USA, it will come ENG only, English EN, UK EN. So this way it work. This way you can make a menu, and even you can use a pretty table library to display the information in a table so that it looks more attractive. I hope you have understood the concept, you have understood how it works, how I have created the menu. If you have any confusion, you can still ask me in comment section. If you need any help more about this, then you can join my Telegram channel. We can discuss there your problems. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.